This is GATE 2014 set 3 electrical question number 24. A non-ideal voltage source Vs has an internal impedance Zs. If a purely resistive load is to be chosen that maximizes the power transfer to the load, its value must be. The 4 options are given. For NPTEL reference, you can refer to lecture number 58, Maximum Power Transfer Theorem of the NPTEL course Network Analysis by Professor Taposh Kumar Bhattacharya, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. For useful data, you need to know that if ZL, that is load impedance, is variable and we need maximum power to be transferred from source to load, the load impedance should be equal to conjugate of the source impedance. But the load impedance is variable, so its value, if it is equal to complex conjugate of the source impedance, that is source internal impedance, then maximum power will be transferred from source to load end. But if, for example, there is a resistance here, it cannot be conjugate of this. So at least in that case, the magnitude of resistance should be equal to the magnitude of this impedance, so that maximum power is transferred from source to load. So in phase, if phase condition cannot be satisfied, then at that case at least amplitude condition should be satisfied and should match with the internal impedance magnitude of the source. So now if Zs is variable, then it is very easy. Then you have to only make Zs 0, and that is the condition for maximum transfer theorem. But here the source is having constant internal impedance, which is a practical case. This is not a practical case, that is Zs is variable. The load can be varied, and for a particular load maximum power is transferred from source to load. Now in the given question, purely resistive load amplitude condition only can be satisfied, not the phase condition, since Zs conjugate cannot be R. So now the magnitude of R should be equal to Zs. So this is the condition of maximum power transfer in this special case. So the value of the resistance must be equal to magnitude of Zs. So option C is the correct option. Thank you.